Do you know that most top smartphone brands are owned by one company, and this is not Apple, Samsung, Google, or Xiaomi? Hey, welcome to the Digital Mag channel. For more videos, please like and subscribe. The mobile phone industry has a long history. We remember pioneers like Motorola, Nokia, BlackBerry, but for most of them was hard to stay on the top. Today the new leaders are Samsung, Xiaomi, Apple, Huawei. But none of the above companies own more brands than the company called BBK. The company was established in 1995. Started with audio-video products and other consumer electronics. Now BBK owns most of the popular smartphone brands in the world, and they are Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Realme, iQOO, Waico. At the beginning of 2021, BBK Electronics became the world's largest smartphone manufacturer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.